And then we have J, and this one's important actually.
Ji.
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 Ji. So note, we're like on the tip of the tongue here. We go Ji.
Ji.
Ji. Ji. Hopefully we can get a nice little zoom up of Ann here. Ji.
Ji.
Ji. Fantastic.
Ji.
And now we, with the remaining ones, it's going to be quite tricky. Okay, so we have Ji, and now it's
Q.
So that is
Qi.
Qi. Qi.
Qi.
So note, you freeze your mouth.
Let the air out like this. Qi.
Qi. Qi. We can show you a little mouth here of how it's done as well, a little visual of it. Qi. 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 You want to spit out a little bit of air here, downwards. Qi. 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 Fantastic. And now we have an X, and this is quite important. I find this one is super common because when you say 谢谢, like thank you, you need to be able to pronounce the X. And that is why when I say 谢谢 to someone, they think, oh, wow, your Chinese is so good, they say to me. And I say, well, thank you. It's just taken me a few years. So yeah, if you get your tones correct, then you're good. And you'll convince people that you're fantastic. And 谢谢 is a very good chance to practice this, okay?
Okay, so it's pronounced xi.
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 Is that what it sounds? Shh. It's not like shh, like she said. It's shh. It's like if you say shh, but you move to the tip of your tongue here, to the top of your mouth. You say shh, shh. Okay? So I think actually X and Q are very similar.
Very similar.
But it's just that X, shh, it stays, and Q spits it out, I think, almost.
Yeah. For Q is qi.
Yeah.
Qi. For X is xi.
So both
xi.
both actions happen here, like in the mouth. Shh and ch. Okay? Right here, right here.